Hey, today's video is about dollar cost averaging, and this is part of our Simple Investing Series 101 for military families and active duty and veterans. So today we're going to talk about dollar cost averaging. So what is that? That is where you invest consistently each month the same amount of money and you purchase the stock or fund at a particular price when you invest that month, no matter what the price is. So what I'm trying to say is we don't try to time the market. We don't try to buy in the beginning of the month, the middle of the month, the end of the month, wherever the money flows are going. We don't follow tips. We don't follow stock tips. We don't listen to our broke friends that tell us to get into this and that. We just consistently invest the same time each month. And wherever that fund or that stock is, that's what it's going to purchase at that price. So an example, I'll go ahead and tell you here. I made my awesome chart, and I'll go ahead and read this to you, and I'll take a picture of this and I'll post it up here in the corner, and we'll be able to see this together. So the example is you have $100. You put $100 in and you purchase a stock. The stock is worth $10 a share. So $100 divided by $10 a share will give you 10 shares. Next month, you do the same thing, same time, same day, but the stock went down a little bit. So now you bought it at $8. So instead of last month where you picked up 10 shares, you now picked up 12.5 shares. So that's $100 divided by 8. We'll go to month 3. You bought it the same $100, same time, same place. It's worth $11 a share now. You picked up 9.09, the fraction shares. So you picked up 9 shares, 0.09. Fourth month, $100. Stock went down because the market goes up and down. But watch. Worth $8, you picked up again 12.5 shares. So at the end of 4 months, you have $400 invested, and you have 44.09, which is that 09 is the fraction of a share. So you have 44.09 shares, and it's worth $400. So if you divide that, here it is, your average cost, DCA, dollar cost average. Your average cost for your purchase of that stock, no matter what the price is today, your price is $9.07. So now you're getting into the next month. Say we're getting ready to invest that $100 again, but we pause. You want to say, where's the stock at? Say it's at $12. So you can see your average cost is at the 9.07. So today we would purchase the stock. Got this here, $100 divided by 12. We would pick up, divided by 12 equals 8.33 shares. So let's just keep doing the math. So from your 44.09 shares plus 8.33 equals, so now you have 52.42. So now we're like, what is our average cost today? And you can see how this would just go like this all the way through for years. But ultimately, as the stock continues to go up, and the market does, because that's how it historically has, your average cost will go down. And when a stock pays out a yield as well, you'll buy shares for zero money, because it'll pay you a couple of dollars every 3-4 months, and that'll purchase some more shares for you. But that's for another video. Remember, this is simple investing. So back to what I said is you had 44 shares. You purchased today. It's at $12. 8.33 shares. Now you have 52.42, and you put $500 in total in 5 months. So we're going to divide 500 by 52.42, and your average cost is today $9.54. So $9.54. And remember, we bought the stock today at $12. So you can see how when you're purchasing at lower prices, it averages you down. When you purchase at higher prices, it averages you up. Now, you're probably thinking, is there ways to lower that more? As I mentioned prior, there's the yield that'll be paid out. You'll buy that at $0 for that. And there's also some other little tricks of it, because if there's a market correction, so we're looking at 10, 15, 20% drop, a COVID happens, a war breaks out, something occurs, it drops the market drastically. And if you have a couple of pennies saved up, that's the only time I would say average down to take a look at that price. And if it's down quite a bit, you may want to load up a little bit, but you're still going to invest your 100, 2, 3, 5, whatever monies you're putting in every month consistently over and over, and that's how you get wealthy. So this is dollar cost averaging. I'll post, you're going to see this exactly right up here somewhere. And if you have any questions, be sure to put comments down, contact me, and keep watching the videos, and I'll keep making them. Thank you.